Hey y'all, hey, it's me. Welcome back to Texas Decor and More. Well, they have built a brand new Dollar General in the other side of my town, and the one that we have in town, I'm just going to say it sucks. It sucks, it's old, nothing's organized in there, they never have new things in there, so I have come to the new one to see if they have anything different and to see if I can maybe find anything for fall out yet, and just in general just take a look around. And I'm going to take y'all along with me and y'all can shop around and see what they've got, and maybe if I find anything good we'll do a haul after. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so they have these buffalo check with the truck, which is really cute for fall. They have this Home Sweet Home. They have this. I actually bought that already. And then they have the placemats for fall. I think this is really cute for like 4th of July. 4th of July decor. And it's 50% off. As you can see, I mostly just got like cleaning products and stuff, but I think I'm gonna hit up the Family Dollar too and see maybe if Family Dollar has any fall stuff out yet or Halloween stuff out yet. So we're gonna hit that up too, and I'll be taking y'all along with me again for that. We've hit the jackpot. I found some fall and Halloween stuff here at Family Dollar. I'm gonna show it to y'all.